Hello world, this is R.E.D for Fitness and welcome to shoulder series. And from this video I am starting the workout series for the shoulder muscles. And in this particular video I will be going to explain you the anatomy of shoulder muscles. Shoulder muscles is also known as deltoid muscles. Why it is known as deltoid muscles I will shortly explain you in the upcoming explanation video. Deltoid muscle is basically comprises of three muscles. First one is anterior deltoid, second one is medial deltoid, and third one is posterior deltoid. The anterior deltoid is also known as front shoulder because this particular muscle is visible from the front side of the person, so it is known as front shoulder. Medial deltoid is basically known as outer shoulder or side shoulder because it is visible from the sideways of a person. And posterior deltoid is also known as rear deltoid. Apart from these deltoid muscles, there is one more group of muscle which we train as part of shoulder workout, which is known as upper trapezius muscles or front trapezius muscles. Talking about trapezius muscles, so trapezius muscles is divided into three parts. First one is upper trapezius, second one is middle trapezius, and the third one is lower trapezius muscles. So middle trapezius muscles is also known as upper back, and lower trapezius muscles is known as center back or middle back. Middle trapezius muscles and lower trapezius muscles, I have already covered the anatomy as well as the exercises in my back series. So if any one of you are interested to learn more about middle trapezius as well as lower trapezius, kindly follow my back series. Now let me explain you the anatomy of shoulder muscles in more detail in my explanation video. Have a look.
Now let's quickly discuss about the anatomy of deltoid muscles. So shoulder muscles primarily consist of deltoid muscles. 1, 2, 3. These are the deltoid muscles. And if you look closely, they look like triangle, right? If I'll invert this triangle and write it down, so it looks like this. So this is a Greek letter delta. So these muscles looks like Greek letter delta, hence the word deltoid is derived. So this first part of muscle, this is known as anterior deltoids or front deltoids. This second part is known as medial deltoid or side or outer delts, and this third part, this is known as posterior deltoid or rear delts. Now if we'll see, the anterior deltoid basically originate from this area, right? So this is collarbone and it basically originate from anterior surface of clavicle. Anterior surface means the front surface of the clavicle. Talking about medial deltoid, so medial deltoid basically originate from this particular area which is known as acromion process, and posterior deltoid basically originate from this particular area which is known as spine of scapula. Scapula is shoulder blade. All these anterior deltoid, medial deltoid and posterior deltoid basically converges at one point on humerus. So this is humerus. Humerus is the bone of your hand. The point where all these three deltoid converges is known as deltoid tuberosity. When we were discussing about the back anatomy, we have already discussed that this particular highlighted portion, this is known as upper trapezius or front trapezius, and we train front trapezius as part of shoulder workout. So this is also considered as one of the muscles that we are going to train as part of the shoulder workout.